maybe not all rituals, but things like, birth rituals or mourning practices. I would be really surprised if that wasn't something all human beings share,
Mm.
something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good. I also agree. I think ritual is really central to human life, and that there is evidence for burials that are 100,000 years old, and in many different parts of the world, there are evidence of ritual in the Paleolithic and perhaps even earlier, but we don't really know. But it's really seems to be central and also outside of religion. Like,
Yeah.
so you would say that religion can be defined.
I would say it can be defined basically not as like I don't know, as a kind of stipulative definition or a
Yeah.
pragmatic definition, like
Yeah.
help you move things along,
Yeah.
not in some like pristine, ontological sense, like that, when you define
Yeah.
religion, that is something that exists in like a platonic realm or something, but that it's a conversation partner, the definition of religion.
So I think that, but let's move to this issue of now that we're talking about concepts, this issue about science and what we mean by a science of religion. Because uh, you have discussed, so your latest book is the Beyond Heaven and Earth, a cognitive theory of religion. And in that book, you are criticizing the idea that there should be this divide where you have the humanities and you have the natural science, and that people think of them as doing entirely different things, like they belong to these different cultures.
Mm.
And you are in different ways, you are trying to show like how they can learn from each other, how a natural science approach to religion can be useful, but it also can lead down this path to this highly reductionistic approach.